Welcome to this video on the SAP B1 Guide to Manufacturing Excellence. We will explore how this best-in-class production management software helps scaling enterprises optimize their operations. Disconnected processes often create a breaking point. From raw materials and purchasing to production orders, finished goods, and costs, manual reconciliation of these siloed areas is inefficient and prone to error. As operations scale, basic software fails to keep up. Managing thousands of active items and complex production stages without visibility leads to material shortages, excess inventory, production delays, and poor costing. There is a critical gap between planning and management. While planning identifies what to produce, true management software is essential to execute, track, and calculate costs across the entire production lifecycle. Achieving complete production control relies on 6 pillars: bill of materials, production orders, material requirements planning, inventory integration, production scheduling, and accurate production costing. A production order is the foundation. It replaces manual spreadsheets by defining planned quantities, material limits, tracking real-time production status, and recording final output. By integrating material requirements planning with inventory, you eliminate guesswork in procurement. Intelligent planning dictates exactly what is needed and when, ensuring your inventory reflects real-time truth. Execution bridges the shop floor to financial reality. Production scheduling aligns manufacturing priorities to reduce delays, while production costing captures the true cost of manufacturing, including materials, labor, and overheads. Standalone software can trap you in new silos. Because production affects inventory, purchasing, and costs, manufacturing must be connected to the rest of the enterprise to ensure financial performance. When evaluating software maturity, moving from manual tracking or standalone systems to an integrated ERP like SAP B1 provides real-time data, precise cost capture, and infinite scalability. SAP B1 offers a significant advantage through its ripple effect. A single customer demand triggers a chain of events across planning, purchasing, inventory, and production, automatically recording financial transactions from raw material to final revenue. SAP B1 provides precision tailored for various industries, including automotive, packaging, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and metal engineering, by addressing their unique material and production complexities. Escape the spreadsheet dependency. Partner with Kabeer Consulting Group to expertly map SAP B1 to your business processes, workflows, and future needs. Contact us today to begin your integrated manufacturing blueprint.